how to jump cut in Shotcut. Let's do that right now. Okay, how to jump cut in Shotcut. Go over to quick videos, scroll to the bottom, drag and drop. Cut that out. Go back to the beginning. Oh, I just split one. Okay, I'm back. I figured it out. That took like way longer than what it needed to be. It was S, not whatever that is. I don't know why they have like two, like S and that thing. Because this cuts everything. Because this cuts whatever it's highlighted and just slices it. So slice our playhead. Cut that. I should automatically do that. And let's see a cut. See how the cut does. I don't know why it slows down right there, but yeah, I don't know why it's not smooth playback, but it just cuts harshly. I can't explain it, but that's usually how you do it. But I don't know why it's not cutting regular, it's cutting harshly. But there you go. I don't know why it's not doing that, but there you go. That's how you do it. Anyway, there you guys go. See you guys in the next how to.